Welcome channel. This week we're on Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas, room 7572. It's going to be an ocean view balcony, deck 7. Give you a quick view of where we're at as far as in relation to the elevators. Right here's the lobby, so the front elevators. It's handy, nice and close. All right, just walk on in. I'll swing around here and show you on the map here where we're at. Like I said, we're at the forward part of the ship. Here's the elevators right here and the stairwell. That red dot there is where we're at. All right, as you walk into the stateroom here on the left, you have your light switch. You do have the master switch here. The key has to be in for the air conditioning to work and also the lights to work. So you've got your main light switch here. Also on the right-hand side, you have a full-size mirror as you enter the room. You have your thermostat here. It is one of the older dials thermostats. You have your light switch here for the bathroom. It's going to be in a Oasis class ship. It's going to have no shower curtain, but you're going to have a actual hard glass door here. When you look in the shower, you got your shower head, and you also have your combination hair and body wash here on the wall. A couple hooks here to hang your wet bathing suits. If you're not going to put them on the balcony, you can put them here so they can drip and dry in the shower. You get some additional amenities here. You got your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and lotion. And then 3 shelves here. Then you have your full-size mirror here, your sink, and then trash can right here. All right, going on to the stateroom. Before we go in there, we see got a couple more hooks here for your towels here. Next to the bathroom, you have your full-size closet here. So you got your hanging bar up here, and you have an additional hanging bar here you can pull down to get additional hanging space. And then storage area down below here. Next to the other closet in between is the couch, full-size couch here. And then you have your other closet here on this side. You're going to have two large drawers here. And then you're also going to have additional hanging space right here. A little shelf area. And then you're going to have 5 shelves right here in the closet in addition to your safe. Your safe is going to be in here. Now, like I said, this ship is getting ready to go to dry dock. When it does go to dry dock, they're going to probably add the Starlink in each room. Right now, it's only in the hallways. Like I said, the newer ships, Utopia, Star, Wonder, Icon have it in the room, so you actually have a better signal in the room. But so far, the Harmony isn't too bad because right outside in the hallway is your Starlink internet. So, okay, across from the couch, you have your full-size backlit mirror, and you have a switch down here and below next to the outlets. Turns that on and off. You also have 2 standard USBs, no USB-Cs on this, being an older ship. You're also going to have 1 European plug-in here and 3 American plug-ins. Ship's maiden voyage was in 2016, so it is a 9-year-old ship. Like I said, it did have dry dock canceled, so they'll be going through dry dock shortly, early January of 2026. So a lot of upgrades will be coming on the ship. You have your desk here. This is a movable desk. You can pull it around the room. It slides around. You can pull it in front of the couch, wherever you need to in the room. And then a nice little sliding chair here. Next to the desk, you have a storage area up top here. And then you're going to have 5 drawers here. So 4 smaller ones, 1 larger one right here. And then you're going to have your refrigerator down here at the bottom. All right, as we're going into the room, you have your standard setup for your bed. You can have it pushed together or separated. You can request that before you set sail. This format's pushed together. If you have it separated, it'll take one of these nightstands, put it in the middle to separate the beds. You're also on each side going to have 2 nightstands, a little shelf area on each one, and then nightstand. And then you're going to have each side, you're going to have a reading light, the switch right here. You can turn it on and off. American style plug-in here, no USB on this one. I assume those will be added once they do the refurbs. Another nice feature is all the lights in the room have a master switch here, so when you get in bed or if you get out of bed, you can hit that switch and the lights will go out and on. Before we go on the other side of the bed here, I'll go ahead and share the TV. You have a flat screen TV here. Little storage area here that you put magazines and stuff in here. They don't have those anymore. Nice thing too, is these TVs swing out. So you can swing out from the wall, access your HDMI area, and also if you're sitting on the couch or in the desk. So like I said, you can swing this out and you have flexibility as far as where you're at in the room. So. All right, like I said, 1 additional nightstand on this side, and that's another reading light, and you do have a telephone here on this nightstand. Go and show you the balcony area. You got your curtains here that you can close to close off the balcony area. We're in Galveston, Texas, sitting still out of there. It's a kind of a foggy, stormy day, but one feature the balcony does have is a light. Sometimes they have the light outside on the balcony, and sometimes they're inside. This one is inside, so when I turn it on, you're gonna have this light strip here that does show a little bit of light out there, but not a whole lot of light at night. So, walk out on the balcony, you're gonna have 2 chairs that do lean back. They've been doing this lately. They've been putting these ties on there. I think because people fell backwards because they may have broken glass or something. So this one does not lean back. And then they have 2 footstools for each chair and a small round table here. So there's this backlit light here that shows out on the balcony. Now another nice feature about the balconies are if you have friends or family staying in the rooms next to us, you can ask your stateroom attendant to unlock this and this as many as you need, and then you can actually have an extended balcony down through there. So, like I said, hey, how's it going? Good. So, nice sunny day, isn't it?
It's gorgeous.
All right, like I said, nice foggy day. It's but see right here is the bridge at the front of the ship. I'm gonna give you one more shot of the stateroom as we come off the balcony. Also invite you to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. It's free to do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos. And also, if you like what you saw, do me a favor, hit that like button, that thumbs up, comment down below, and we'll see you on the next one.